Hi everyone, I miss you. This is Teacher Maria. Do you remember me? I've been very busy. I hope you have been too. So I came to the school to see what happened to our tomato plant. Can you see what happened? Do you remember how big and tall it was all the way up to the roof of Teacher Robin's room? Well, with too much rain and too many little tomatoes growing, this is what happened to our plant. As you can see, there are lots of tomatoes. Do you see the green ones and the red ones? Look at this beautiful red tomato. You see that? They're awesome. And under here, I have a surprise for you. Do any of you remember what we planted down in the bottom of the box on this side? Guess what we planted? Well, let's see. Oh no. Look at this. I'm going to pull one that out. And can any of you guess what it is? I think it's called what is it? It's round and red. It's called a radish, you're right. These are awesome. So we're going to be cleaning up our garden today, and I'll let you know how it looks after we finish. Okay? This is how our plant looks. So let's see how much I can clean of it today, okay? I'll be back to let you know. Bye, miss you, stay safe. Stay at home, listen to Ima and Abba. Listen to them, listen to your mom and dad. Wash your hands and stay safe, okay? See you soon. Miss you very much.